Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in Photopea in 2026. Yeah, from basic edits to a more polished look, step by step, nothing confusing. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once it loads, just drag and drop your image into the workspace, or go to File and Open. Super simple. Now let's improve the look of your photo. Go to Image, then Adjustments. Here you'll find things like brightness, contrast, and color balance. So if your photo looks too dark, just increase brightness a bit. Or adjust contrast to make it pop more. Yeah. Next up, cropping. Select the crop tool from the left side. Now you can remove unwanted edges or fix alignment. And honestly, this is where a photo starts to look more professional. Just clean framing makes a big difference. Now for small fixes, use the spot healing brush. Just click on blemishes or unwanted objects and Photopea will blend them automatically. It's kind of magic, I'm not even kidding. Makes your photo look way cleaner instantly. If you want to make your photo more creative, you can add text or effects. Select the text tool, click anywhere, and type whatever you want. You can also explore filters and blending modes if you want a more advanced look later. Once you're done editing, go to File, then Export As, and choose JPEG or PNG. JPEG is great for normal photos, and PNG keeps higher quality. And yeah, that's basically how you edit photos in Photopea in 2026. Just keep practicing, try different tools, and you'll get better really fast. All right,